In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from GCash to ShopeePay. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what details to enter, and how to make sure your money goes to the right place smoothly and securely. Start by opening the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet network and that your GCash balance can cover the amount you want to send, plus any possible transfer fees. Once you're on the home screen, look for the transfer option. This is the section that lets you move funds out of your GCash wallet to banks and other wallets. Inside Transfer, choose Local Banks. This takes you to the list of supported partners where you can send money. Scroll through the list and locate ShopeePay. If there's a search bar, you can type the name to find it faster. Selecting ShopeePay will open the form where you'll enter the details for this transfer. On this screen, start by entering the amount you want to send. It's a good idea to double-check the figure before moving on. Next, enter the account name. This should match the name registered with the ShopeePay account to help ensure the funds are routed correctly. Then enter the account number associated with that ShopeePay wallet. Be precise here. Carefully type each digit and review it before proceeding. Small mistakes in the account name or number can delay the transfer or send funds to the wrong destination, so take a moment to verify everything. If the app provides an optional note or purpose field, you can add a short description for your own reference, but this isn't required. When all fields look correct, review the summary one more time, including the recipient details, the amount, and any displayed fees. Transfers to ShopeePay typically process via instant rails, so they should reflect quickly, though occasional delays can happen depending on network conditions. When you're confident everything is accurate, tap Send Money. The app will process your request and show a confirmation screen once it's successful. You'll usually see a reference number or transaction ID on that screen. Keep that reference in case you need to check the status later. You may also receive a text or in-app notification confirming the transfer. That's the entire process. Open GCash, go to Transfer, select Local Banks, find ShopeePay, enter the amount, account name, and account number, and then send the money. If something doesn't look right or the transfer doesn't reflect after a reasonable time, use your reference number when contacting support so they can quickly assist you.